nagugulat ako sa mga outpouring of love and yung mga stories na hindi ko alam. Ang dami ko narinig na stories na what he has done and helped them with. And kahit na masakit sa amin yung nangyari, the outpouring of love for him is comforting us. It's still painful. But seeing everybody's love for him, the stories that I'm hearing now that's new to me, nagugulat po ako. At nagpapasalamat sa lahat na nandito.
Parang ngayon ako nakita na napakaraming bulak-bulak sa isang namatay, even the public officials. Parang sobra-sobra
I did not expect this also.
Yeah.
I did not expect it. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Miss Pitikay, meron bang susunod sa yapak ni Congressman Ed?
Naku, hindi ko po na pag-uusapan. Hindi po namin na mapag-usapan. Right now, we're just grieving for him. We're preparing for his funeral, for his interment on Monday.
So Monday po ang interment. Kung po sa mga gustong sumama, mga anong oras po?
Monday, supposedly siguro mga 8 ang mass sa Skylight. And then from there, walk na lang or to Loyola.
Loyola lang. Loyola lang. So hindi na po dadaan dito?
Hindi na po dito. If there are no changes, mass will be held. The mass will be held in Skylight on Monday.
Thank you very much. I know you're very tired. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.